Namaskar. Vasudeva Sarvamiti. As said in the Bhagavad Gita, the wise understand that the divine essence pervades everything, reminding us that we are all a part of the same universal spirit. On this World Tourism Day, we celebrate the theme of tourism and peace and recognize tourism's transformative power to foster unity, prosperity, and peace. Today, our world faces unprecedented challenges. 1 in 4 people globally now live in conflict areas. The impacts of war and insecurity are felt far beyond the battlefield. On this occasion, we must stand up for peace. Tourism, by its very nature, brings people together, builds trust, and fosters mutual respect. It lays the foundation for cooperation and inclusive growth, which are vital to safeguarding against conflict. Our celebrations this year showcase the diversity and vibrancy of Goa. From the cooking competition at Institute of Hotel Management and the launch of a book on Goa's culinary heritage, to a boat ride for differently abled children and interaction with the Yuva Tourism Club, each initiative symbolizes the role of tourism in promoting inclusivity and peace. The global tourism family is united by its shared humanity, and in Goa, we take pride in our ability to connect people through tourism. From walking tours promoting regenerative tourism to engaging over 600 stakeholders in the theme of Goa Beyond Beaches, we are leading the way in sustainable tourism development. Tourism has historically been a powerful force for peace. After World War II, it played a critical role in rebuilding Europe's economy and diplomatic ties. Today, we see how responsible tourism fosters understanding and harmony. In Goa, our commitment to Goa Beyond Beaches ensures that tourism is a catalyst for peace, bringing economic benefits to rural areas, preserving the cultural heritage, and reducing the pressure of over-visited locations. Regenerative tourism is at the heart of this movement. It seeks to heal and revitalize the places we visit, creating harmony between people, the environment, and the economy. We must also recognize the challenges. In some areas in Goa too, tensions have emerged due to overcrowding and cultural insensitivity. This is why we call on all tourists to embrace responsible travel, respecting local customs, and engaging meaningfully with our communities. Tourism should always be a force for good, building bridges, not walls. For the first time in Goa's history, beach shacks were ready well before the tourist season began. This is a testament to our government's commitment to fostering a harmonious tourism environment. The proactive shack policy and subsequent legislation ensures that shacks are waiting for the tourist, not the other way around. This is an example of how forward-thinking governance can create peace by reducing conflicts during peak tourism seasons. Our vision goes beyond infrastructure. We are promoting cultural and festival tourism through events like Shikmo, Chikalkalo, Bondera, Carnival, Saujao, and Dipotsav, ensuring that our rich cultural heritage continues to thrive in harmony with tourism. Our homestay policy is a major step towards empowering rural Goa. This policy encourages tourists to explore Goa beyond the beaches, spreading economic benefits to remote areas and reducing the strain on crowded locations. This approach contributes to a peaceful and inclusive tourism ecosystem. Additionally, we have signed strategic industry partnerships with companies like Airbnb, Make My Trip, Fly91, MasterCard, All India Institute of Ayurveda, and others, ensuring that Goa Beyond Beaches becomes a reality. These collaborations help diversify our tourism offerings and reduce overcrowding, fostering peace through sustainable development. Tourism in Goa is evolving with a focus on regenerative tourism, which heals and restores our environment, communities, and the economy. With events like the adventure trails and walking tours in remote areas, we are attracting visitors to the lesser explored parts of Goa, promoting peace and sustainability. Through initiatives like the Prashad Scheme and Swadesh Darshan 2.0, we are revitalizing iconic destinations in the coastal and hinterlands of Goa, ensuring that tourism benefits all communities and contributes to the long-term peace and prosperity. Our UR tourism clubs are playing a critical role in this effort. By engaging over 1,000 students in our World Tourism Day activities, we are empowering the next generation of ambassadors for peace. These young leaders will continue Goa's journey towards becoming a global model for sustainable and regenerative tourism. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji's vision of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, guides our approach to tourism. Under his leadership, regions like Jammu and Kashmir have transformed from conflict zones to flourishing tourist destinations. In 2023 alone, Jammu and Kashmir welcomed over 2 crore tourists, demonstrating how tourism can bring peace, economic stability, and hope. As we celebrate World Tourism Day 2024, let us recognize that tourism is a powerful force for peace, regeneration, and prosperity. Together, through responsible and sustainable tourism, we can build a brighter and more peaceful future for Goa, for India, and for the world. I wish you all peace and prosperity on this World Tourism Day. Thank you. Dev Bare Guru.